Alright, we got my bro C-Kid Terry up on here, baby. I'm showing them the monitor works. What y'all thinking, man? These are console players right here.
Hey, man, it's got me. Hey, it's got me looking to sell some stuff. I'll tell you that much. That's for sure.
Hey, it's got me thinking like, which one of my kidneys do I need to take out to afford this, man? I need this like right now.
UPS just pulled up. I see him on my camera. Finna head out there and grab my monitor, y'all. Do you see that? What is this? What is this? What's up, Unplugged family? Today, I said again, today, we finally have a monitor that can handle HDMI 2.1. Not just one HDMI 2.1 input, but two of them. And it's a 43-inch monitor, baby. So what does that mean? I get to plug in my PS5 and my Xbox Series X at the same time, along with the PC, baby. It's about to go down. So all of this is gonna get cleared off. Matter of fact, you guys are gonna see me clear this off. You can see, we got that brand new red. Hold on, let me talk to you guys. So basically, we'll be gaming 4K 120 hertz in all of its beautiful glory and goodness. Now, here's the downside about the PC, you guys. I only have a 2080 Super graphics card. Now, if you know anything about the gaming world right now, getting a graphics card is impossible. The only way to get it is to pay the resellers. And I almost did it. I almost paid the high markup to these people because I understand how the resale market works. Let me explain. Let me show you guys something. If you see right here, I'm a sneakerhead. Which means I got sneakers. I got sneakers in here. Man, look at here, man. Y'all don't even know about these with the suede on the toe. Woo! Woo. Some of these sneakers, oh, these right here, go look up on how much these are worth on GOAT if you know anything about GOAT. Nevertheless, I understand how the resale market works and I understand what's going on. And a lot of the resellers from the sneaker game are the ones that are buying up all the graphics cards. So why would you pay resale, CJ, or consider it at least, because I haven't done it. It's because, man, these kids got bots. They got all type of programming software. Like, you trying to go on manually and order something when they got it all automated. You cannot win against that. These resellers, they're cutthroat, they're botting everything. Good luck out there. Let's get this area cleaned up. That's what we should do right now. Get prepared for UPS to bring me my beautiful 43-inch gaming monitor. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, let's explain this setup that I got right here, because the current monitor that I'm using, this is a MSI. I know you guys can't see it because it's not really on. It's a 24-inch 1080p 240 hertz monitor. This is a dope MSI monitor. I'll put the model number down in the description. 24 inches, the perfect competitive size. And I'm not getting rid of this monitor. I gotta figure out a way. I probably gotta put it on like an ergonomic arm so I can pull this out in front when I really want to get competitive out here. But the 43-inch is coming in the building, so we still nevertheless have to clear this whole area off. So back to the time lapse. Alright, you guys, so I got the table nice and clear. Now I need to go down into the basement and grab that second layer shelving that I said I'm gonna use, and then I can start like trying to put the PS5 and the Xbox Series X up on the table. Also, which is better, PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series X? Which do I play more? Which do I prefer to use? That's coming in the video. I'm not gonna tell you in this video, but let's get those things kind of like staged and ready so that when the monitor comes on, we just slide it onto the table, we power that bad boy up, and we get straight to gaming, you know, because that's what this is about. Let me go get my shelf. Okay. I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. So, according to the website, this is about 38.08 inches in width, which is kind of unfortunate because this kind of sucks because it means I can't put the PlayStation to the right and the Xbox to the left and stuff like that. I gotta figure out creative ways to place that humongous PlayStation 5. Why is the PlayStation 5 so big? And I really don't want to throw them on the floor, but that might have to be the option with this desk size because I don't want any bigger of a desk in this space. This is a smaller section of the area and room, and I like it the size that it is. All right, you guys, let's just take a second to acknowledge how humongous. Look at this big old PlayStation 5. Look at this Xbox Series X. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's no way they can go on the desk. It looks like the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X is gonna have to go on the floor. And don't mind my cable management. Guess what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you why I don't do all that pretty cable management. I change my setup often. As you can see, I'm changing it right now. why would I do cable management knowing I'm gonna add something else into my setup and you gotta undo all that cable no, there's no exact setup for me. All right, you guys, time for a quick little update. You know, I've been over here working and stuff. As you can see, I got some lights set up. I got all of my PlayStation and Xbox controllers under that little shelving. This headphone preamp set up, my keyboard and my mouse right there ready to go. I'm pretty much all set. All I need is for, you know, the big brown truck to pull up with my big 43-inch monitor and I'm good to go. All right, y'all, so in the middle of me eating my pizza, my leftover, you know, reheated pizza, UPS just pulled up. I see him on my camera, finna head out there and grab my monitor, y'all. All right, so I just got the box, and it's some sort of bad news, I won't even lie. Yo, shout out to the UPS driver, because he was super dope. He pointed out the damage on the box, and he marked it as damage on his end. Shout out to him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to go see, I'm still opening it up, I still accepted it, I wanna see what's up. I'm hoping that it's not broken, man. That's a nice drop on like a TV, this is just, let me just show you guys. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? What is this? What is this? So I'm hoping that it's just on the outside. It don't seem like the box on the inside. It doesn't seem like the other under box is messed up. It just seems like the outer box. So I'm hoping that this is not destroyed. As you can see, all of the good specs of this beautiful monitor, baby. This is what it is. So we gotta open it up and we gotta see how is our monitor doing. Let's check on our baby. Let me check on my baby. Hey, I don't wanna cry on camera, hold on. All right, let's go get the box. All right, you guys, so I got this kind of set right here, but let's just see what's going on inside. As you can see, this thing is sealed. Unboxing knife, bam. So now I just gotta hope for the best. If there's any issues or drama, we will be sending this back. So a big reason why this monitor grabbed my attention is it has a remote. All monitors need to have a remote going forward. I can't stress this, like, especially when you get big monitors like this, but man, those little knobs on the bottom, come on, man, give me this. Cables on cables on cables on cables. Man, that's a lot of cables up in here. Hold up, player. We got batteries for the remote, you better have. All right. Woo. Yeah, the damage seemed like it was only on the outside box. All right, player, so we got the legs on the monitor. Now it's time to put the monitor on the table. All right, here we are. Boom. Oh man, the feet are everything because the feet help it not take up as much space. Now, actually I got a little more room on the sides than I thought it would. So I'm gonna let you guys see it the same time I do. Let's take a look at this beauty together. Woo, I didn't take a sneak peek. Oh my, oh my, woo. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. Give me 1 second. Woo, that's the best part of the unboxing. The remote. Bam. With the remote. One of my biggest things I gotta check is if I can get Call of Duty to run at 1080p on here just fine, maybe even 1440p, because I still don't have the 3080, 3090, or 3080 Ti. I've been trying to look at the 3080 Ti. I think that's the sweet spot that I want to get. 3090 would be nice as well, but the resale market is ridiculous. So right now we're running at a 144 refresh rate. What resolution? We're actually running 4K. I'm kind of curious, just for kicks and giggles, let's see what we get playing 4K on the 2080 Super. So now we're running at like console FPS. There's 55. Dang. Actually not bad. Obviously used to running at about almost triple this, but that's okay. I'm still getting better than typical PlayStation 60 hertz right now. I'm getting about 70 to 80 FPS, which isn't bad. So if I drop the resolution down to like 1440, I'll probably get my ideal plan. The 2080 Super is pushing. All right,
let's apply this. So now we're running at like 1440. Oh yeah, the frame rates are more my style. So I'm getting at about 111 frames per second. It's so scary. Ooh, little animation about to get me chopped. Alright, so next thing I want to do is I'm going to switch it down to 1080. Now on 1080, I should get like A1 frame rate. So we're going to see what kind of frame rates we get at 1080p.
I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like, whoa, bags under my eyes and you know, won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.